Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain simple program using the for loops. Let me take one example. Like I need to print 5 digits from 0 onwards, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 using for loops. So I will use like where and let keyword. We'll see the difference what happen if you are using the where keyword and let keyword. So for that first I am taking one JavaScript file. So demo example.js like that I am taking. See, so let me take for loop. So here first I am using the where keyword, where I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, here I am taking the set timeout functions. So which means it allows the arrow function. So here I am mentioning the 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, so I need to print that I value. So here I am consoling the I value. See, where I equal to 0, so 0 less than 5, it is true, right? So it will go inside the loop and set timeout function, it will be executed. In the set timeout function, after 5 seconds, this I value, it will be free. So what is the I value? 0, right? So 0, it will be print. Now after each iteration, the third part, it will be executed. What is the third part? I plus plus. So which means the I value is incremented by 1. Now the I value is 1. So again checking the condition. 1 less than 5. It is true, it will go inside the loop and after 5 seconds the I value is print. What is the I value now? 1. Now after this iteration, now again this I value is incremented by 1. So previously I value is 1, now the I value is 2. So 2 less than 5, it is true, it will go inside the loop. So after 5 seconds, this I value, it will be filled. Now after each iteration, this I value is incremented by 1. Now I value is 3. Again checking the condition, 3 less than 5. So it is true, it will go inside the loop and after 5 seconds this 3 value is filled. Now after this iteration, again this I value is incremented by 1. So previously I value is 3, now the I value is 4. So again checking the condition, 4 less than 5, it is true. So it will go inside the loop and the I value is free. So now after this iteration, again this I value is incremented by 1. So now the I value is 5. 5 less than 5, it is false. So it will go outside the loop, right? Right? So now I am saving this file. See, we'll see the output. So the expected output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll see what happens. Note demo ex.js. See, after 5 seconds, you will get an output like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, after 5 seconds, I am getting the 5, 5, 5. I am getting the 5 values, but I am not getting the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. I am getting the single value like 5. So, in the same example, let me take with let keyword. Okay. See, in the same example, here I am using the let keyword. We'll see. Just I am saving the file. Now, we'll node demo ex.js. So, I am run this command. See, after 5 seconds, we'll see the difference between where and let keyword. See, using the where keyword, I am getting the 5, 5, 5. But using the let keyword, I am getting the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means the where keyword, it won't have the capability to maintain the multiple values. But the let keyword, it have the capability to maintain the multiple values. Okay, this is the difference, guys. Remember one thing. So using the where keyword, so it don't have the capability to maintain the multiple values. Why? Because I am getting the single value like 555. But the using the let keyword, it have the capability to maintain the multiple values. So I am getting the multiple values like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the next video, I will explain like rest parameters in function. So